In this video, we're going to factor out the greatest common factor and then factor a trinomial of the form x squared plus bx plus c. We talked about how to factor that type of trinomial in our last video. So these problems will be like those from 13.2, numbers 23, 25. There'll be a few examples, but they'll be based off of numbers 23 and 25. So let's start with 4x squared plus 36x plus 32. I'm going to pull out the greatest common factor of 4. That leaves me with x squared plus 9x plus 8. And now this trinomial that has a leading coefficient of 1 can be factored using our technique from our last video. X's go there, signs are the same, and they're both positive. Factors of 8 that add up to give me 9 are 1 and 8. Now we have 5x cubed minus 40x squared plus 75x. This one doesn't just have a numerical coefficient, it also has a variable part of the coefficient that is going to be our greatest common factor. So I said that wrong, but you'll understand what I mean. It's going to have a greatest common factor of 5x. So this is going to be x squared minus 8x plus 15, like so. Leave the 5x outside. X, signs are the same. And 3 and 5 multiply to give me 15 and add to give me 8. In this last example, 2x cubed minus 18x squared plus 40x. The greatest common factor is 2x. Leaves me with x squared minus 9x plus 20. Signs are the same and they're both negative. And it's got to be 4 times 5 to give me 20. That adds to give me 9. That looks too much like a 6. There we go, that's a 5. All right, there we go. That is it for this video. And we'll come back next time and talk about factoring trinomials where the leading coefficient is not 1 and it can't be factored out as a greatest common factor with this technique that we just used right here. So those will be probably some of the hardest factoring problems that you have for right now. So we'll do several examples in that video and show you a couple of different techniques for them. All right, I'll see you for the next video.